how to install ThinkPad X1 carbon camera driver. Okay, so open any browser to type Google search box. Okay, just right click to new tab. You can see your laptop, and there are two type to install driver, first automatic and second manual. So if the in case of automatic, so when you click to scan now, so small software scan your laptop and require driver to install just one click. Okay, and second, this is manual, so if you have it to for the troubleshooting and for require separate drivers to separate, just click to select a driver. Again, you can see this all the driver are there. So after that, you just click to camera, scroll down, you can see this is camera driver. Just click to download, wait few seconds, it will start automatically. Just okay, it will done, just single click. Then you can see this, click to yes, and the next, I accept the agreement, and the next select the install. Okay, if you select the extract, so firstly extract to your system, and after that you have to install it. So I suggest guys you install directly and then click to next. After that, install. Now you can see this is installing. Then next, now this is okay, this is finished. So fast, thank you. And then finish, and then again click to finish.